today I am gonna make some off-topic discussion. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Yogesh Kardare from Pune. I keep on playing with my home audio, something like that, and car audio stuff, and I keep on uploading their videos. So today's discussion is about the basic tools you should have at your home. This is my set, and I have some more, but this is basic introduction video so that you can have a basic idea what kind of stuff you should have at your home. So let us start with my Bosch drill machine kit. This is Bosch GSB 500. It's 500 watt drill machine. I'm using it from last 4 years it seems. I brought it online for something around 4,000 rupees with this whole set. Okay, it's going good. Only maintenance I did is I have changed this spindle couple of times. I don't know what was the issue, but I had to change it. Otherwise the motor is working pretty well. Actually this is good machine, extremely good machine for domestic purpose. If you are gonna use it in your home, blindly go for it. But if you have something like commercial purpose, actually I started my business in solar power PV, and thereafter I gave this set to my workers and they screwed it off. Otherwise this is very good machine for domestic your household work. Okay, so here I got some screws inside so that you can use it. These are drill bit sets. These are for wood, these are for concrete, and these are for masonry like tiles and everything. These are chuck keys. This is the chuck. This thing is called chuck, and I am talking about that only. I have changed it a couple of times. This is the hammer. You should have this kind of hammer. It has rubber coating so that it will avoid some kind of shocks you get in hand, and the build quality is very good and feels good to use it. Okay, this is set of screw heads, sorry, nut heads. Okay, this is combination plier. This is adjustable wrench, or you can call it spanner in India. This is spirit level. So basically if you have this kit at your home, you can install everything like your curtains and basic drilling holes for your watch and everything like this. I installed it myself. Okay, I installed this myself. I installed these lights myself. Those lights I installed myself. Okay, you can do such small stuff yourself, and rather than cost saving, you can save a lot of cost. You should concentrate on feel good factor. You are learning something and you can use these tools for yourself. That is feel good factor. Okay, definitely you will save a cost. Like in market, if you call someone to do this household stuff, he will definitely charge you I think the current rate is around 30 to 40 rupees per hole. Okay, per drill. So if you go on calculating everything, you need 3 drills for each set of this. Okay, I mounted the speakers also myself. Okay, I got this aquaguard work done. In start you will feel that using these tools is very difficult, but I am from engineering background, basically mechanical engineering. That's why this is very simple for me, but it's not rocket science. Okay, you can just read the manual and you can know how to use these attachments. So this was my review for Bosch machine. I'll for the domestic purpose I will definitely recommend you to go with it. and for the commercial purpose go for some heavy model. Okay, 500 watt is not enough. Go for hammer type drill. The hammer type drill machine is different, where you can drill into your beams and pillars also. I have drilled into beams and pillars with this machine also. Not a bad choice, but it struggles to get inside the such kind of columns. Okay, this is a huge column and this is complete RCC. This is not brick wall, and this is brick wall. You can easily make the drills on brick walls. Okay, now coming to the second point. As you know, I'm mostly into car audio. I play with my car all the time. So this is battery operated. They call it drill, but it works only on wood. You can see these drill bits. These are wood, for wood only. You can't expect this machine to be used on concrete. Okay. The base purpose is I use it. This is full speed. You have this torch. It automatically glows on. Spirit level. The brand is something like Mastic. Okay. So this is cordless. This is the power bank, or you can say battery. You get pair of it. This is extra one, and this is its charger. So best use of this is using like a screwdriver only. I won't recommend to use it for drilling purpose. For drilling purpose I have dedicated drill machine, but this comes very handy. You can take it anywhere and you can do all kind of stuff like drilling holes in the wood. Okay, and tightening your screws, tightening your bolts, or removing it. This is very interesting stuff. If there is some complicated place where you can't reach, okay, check this out. So you just have to insert this into your machine and this will go on rotating. I'll show you, just a minute. So check this out. I have connected it. Okay, so whenever you will try to this you have to hold, and this way you can go into any complicated section. Okay, like under seat. I use it for unmounting my amplifier and all that stuff, which is installed under seat, under co-driver seat, where it is very complicated to get in. Sorry, I don't know what it is called actually, but it comes very handy. You can take screenshot of this thing and ask into your local market that you are looking for it. This is also wireless drill machine only, but this comes without tools. Okay, let me explain the price of this one. This is for something around 3,000 bucks, I guess. Okay, this is for 2,500 because it doesn't have any accessories like this one. It is the same one, just the different brand. All this is the Chinese stuff. Okay, they give their own brands. Lithium ion battery it is. I feel like this has higher speed. I discovered it today only. I don't know, maybe there is. This I have not used ever, maybe that's why this is running so well. Anyway, it's the same stuff, okay, to be honest. These are all Chinese items, I mean the wireless ones. And if you go for branded like Bosch and something, that will cost you around 10,000 rupees, okay. So I thought that it's better idea to have a couple of machines than going for single one. But I'm pretty impressed. Okay, I'm using this green one, the wireless drill machine, from last 4 to 5 months, and it's going good. If you have the two batteries fully charged, you can get your work done for the whole day. Okay. Now coming down, these are the zip ties, cable tie. Okay, you should have some bunch of it for your household item. This is normal tape. You might be knowing the measuring tape. This is must have. I had measuring tape in back kit also, but I have lost it somewhere. This is digital multimeter. Should cost you around something around 300 bucks only. You should definitely have one. Okay, and learn how to use it. There is nothing so difficult. This is AC voltage. This is DC voltage. This is current. This is continuity. This is resistance meter and all that. You can learn this from manual, or there are plenty of videos online. Okay, this is very entry level digital multimeter. Okay, this is the cheapest one you can have. I use it only for my amplifier tuning procedure and to check some circuit boards. Okay, that is for domestic use only. That's why I haven't got the true RMS one. There comes the true RMS digital multimeter, which is very costly. This is the professional socket kit. Actually, the purpose to have this is it has all the attachments, and by this T handle you can apply good amount of force while tightening or removing any kind of screws or nut bolts. This is set of hex key wrench they call it, but I call it Allen keys. Okay, in India we commonly call it Allen. This is soldering gun. This also costs something around 200 to 300 bucks in India. You should definitely have one. It's not so difficult to use it. Okay, I was scared of using it because I brought it just for experimental purpose, but I used it so many times and it's fun to use it. Okay, very cheap. We waste our money in restaurant and fast food rather than, I believe in having all this stuff and learning something new and playing with it. But please beware of using such heavy equipments like drill machine, that you should use all your safety gears and then only try to play with it, because it is pretty risky. Keep it far away from your eyes. Okay, these are testers and screwdrivers. These are pliers. These I use for cutting my wires and something like that. This is wire cutter or wire stripper, you can call it. It does both the functions. This is hacksaw. I have a bigger one also. This is open type spanner or wrench. This is closed type or ring spanner or wrench. This is pipe wrench for plumbing purpose. So as you can see, the most expensive people in the labor category are the electricians and plumbers. If you have gone the study, if you have done through the some research, or you have done your homework, okay, so you will get to know that you can do all this stuff yourself. No need to wait for the wireman or no your plumber. This is very small stuff. Okay, you can get it done yourself. So this was my video to have the basic tools at your home. The must have is this drill machine set. it will give you all the accessories also with it. So you can start with this drill machine, and it is branded one, so no need to worry about the investment. Okay, and thereafter you can go for the small all other kind of stuff. Okay, most of us have this small stuff. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I keep on uploading something which is informative and which help you in your future. Okay, stay tuned for more. Live live.